Okay, my beautiful friends, here we are. Look, this is so sick. It is so freaking twisted. But we're going to talk about a lot of things here in this video blog. The opening bell went off about 9 minutes ago. Stocks are about flat. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is down fractionally. S&P is higher, though, fractionally. NASDAQ higher fractionally. But that's not where the real story is in this market, and there's a lot of news coming out, which is absolutely horrid. But it will be stock market positive in this environment. Now let me prove this to you right here. It's insane. This is the yield curve, okay? Now let's see if I can get you to see. See all that red yet again? That's from the 3-month all the way out. You see that? What is that? Again, that's some entity out here buying all the debt, keeping rates suppressed so cash will try to make its way into the stock market. Again, this is a rigged game to the highest freaking order. Look, we got more economic news today proving that we're in free fall. And you don't need to be a rocket scientist or even pay attention to this blog to figure this stuff out. I mean, there are ghost malls popping up all around the country. You got a homeless population that's exploding. Hoovervilles, you name it, it's here. We're in a depression. We really are. And we're going towards something much, much worse. Now, we got some jobs numbers today. Even the fake data is abysmal. Apparently, we added 145,000 jobs last month. They were hoping to hit 165, a huge miss percentage-wise. And then the other story is wage growth. Wage growth is, not only is it not keeping up with the rate of inflation, but it's dropping. But they want you to believe that our economy is so strong, we're adding all these jobs. We're adding nothing. As a matter of fact, with regard to jobs being added, we're at the same rate that we were doing the meltdown from 2011, people. You can't make this up if you freaking tried to do it. But again, in some twisted way, this is positive for the stock market. Why? Because the Fed's got to push their foot to the floor. Again, it's so sad what they're doing to our country here, piling on epic amounts of debt onto the backbone of the United States and every single citizen here. This is horrible. It's absolutely abysmal, but this is what they're doing. This is the game plan, and you can expect stocks to go higher. That's how there's a total and absolute disconnect, people, between the economy in free fall and the stock market and the debt bubble that is being hyperinflated to the point of, like, you can't believe. And we haven't seen anything yet, like I explained to you. Without this mechanism in place, could you only imagine where we would be right now with regard to the distraction mechanism? Look at the stock market. Look at the stock market. Dow 29,000, 30,000 coming soon. President promised. Take him at his word. I mean, it's insane. But this is it. This is the charade. This is the game. I don't know what else to say. It's unbelievable. And then you're going to get the mainstream channels that are going to try to spin this. Oh, wage growth is slowing down, but it's a good thing. Really? Good for who? Who is it? Who's that good for? Oh, we missed the mark again with these fake unemployment numbers. Oh, but the rate is at a X amount year low. Bullshit. All right? Look at the labor force participation rate, people. The lower today than during the Great Recession, the meltdown, whatever you want to call it. It's incredible. And full year job gains, lowest since the meltdown too. You got to be kidding me. Really, but people are going to buy it. The cults, you know who the cults are. The Republican cult is going to say everything is great. The Democratic cult, obviously they're going to have their narrative. These cults make me want to puke. They really do. All right, look, I'm out of here. See you at the end of the day.